Guys, we've made it to our final video. Woo! Video 5. So video 5 is how to construct a line parallel to another line through a given point. And that given point for us would be point P, which is right here. So here's the original line that we want to copy or like draw another parallel line, and it has to be through this point. So the first thing you want to do is you want to draw a transversal that goes through point P that touches the bottom line. So using your straight edge, I want you to, here, I'll use my straight edge too. I want you to draw a line going from your original line through point P and make that line very long. So there you go. So this will serve as our transversal, because ultimately what we're going to do is we're going to construct corresponding angles. And then hypothetically, we would use the converse of the corresponding angles postulate to prove that the lines are parallel, in case you were wondering why this works. Okay, so after drawing that transversal, take out your compass. You put the sharp part of the compass on this intersection. We are going to draw an arc, lock this, that will cross the bottom line and the transversal. But it has to be before point P. It shouldn't be after point P. Okay, so here we go. So we drew an arc. Again, it's important that it's before point P, because what we're going to do now is, using that same setting, we're going to put the sharp part on point P, and we're going to ultimately construct a congruent angle up here. So I'm going to draw that arc right here. Okay, so reminding you, when we construct congruent angles, after you do this step, then you have to measure how large the angle is. So we have to set, there we go. Sorry, I don't know why that does that. The sharp part on like the top intersection, say, and then the pencil part on the bottom part of the intersection of that first arc. You can also put the sharp part where the pencil is and the pencil part where the sharp part is too. That's fine. It doesn't matter. So just to make sure I got my width correct. Good. Now, take the compass using this setting. Put the sharp part right here where the arc over here crosses the transversal. And we're going to intersect that arc with this setting. Okay. That goes away. Then we're going to use the straight edge again, and you're going to draw a line or a ray that goes through, we'll say a line that goes through P completely and then through this intersection as well. So we'll see if I can do this. I don't know if I can with this ruler. Kind of hard. I will try my best. So it may not look great for us on my end because of this program that I'm using. But again, you will literally take your straight edge. That looks pretty good. And you will draw a line going through point P and through that intersection all the way across. It's not bad. It's a little off as far as using my straight edge, but I think you get the point. Make sure that it's aligned, so put the arrows on both sides. And here we go. This line is parallel to this line. And again, that's because we basically constructed congruent corresponding angles. All right, guys, we've survived all 5 videos. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next class. Bye.